بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وأما ساعدنا وحنا صوعنا هي ورما بحشونها يا رير أفريقيا رير سويدن حلهم بذاتك صوعنا.
Hello?
Or hello.
Hello?
ما دعوه لا يا نك. Or hello, who's this?
I'm Barack Obama.
Barack Obama. Some of the Hawaiian American come. Yes, Obama.
Yeah, I hear you had a question for me. We wanted to call up and answer it personally.
Yes, I have a lot of questions. Yes, the first question, I mean, maxaad ISS ugu badan weysay dadka masaakiinta ah anigoo kala ah odayaasha kaarka caafimaadka maxaad nooga goosatay odayaasha Soomaaliyeed?
What do you mean?
Help us, that's what I mean. Kaarka caafimaadka noo siisid, are you gonna help us or what?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, we can for the Somali people.
Yes, we can.
Obama.
Yes, we can.
Well, Obama, what you mean? Too many yes, we can by Ubada. Tell me actually what do you mean tonight by calling me?
You know exactly what I mean.
Hey.
One of your friends was just arrested for drug possession.
Are you talking about the short one or the fat one?
Yes.
The short one?
Yes.
Okay, I will handle it. Is there anything else I can help you with, Obama?
Yes. Can you define more sharply what you think would be a legitimate or fair set of circumstances in the relationship between Iran and Iraq that would make us feel comfortable drawing down our troops?
Yeah, I have a good idea. waxaad u baahanaysaa laba nin oo isaaqa oo qaylahayaan laba nin oo ogaadeen oo dhaanta qaadahayaan laba nin oo habar gidir oo holiday vacation ku jiraan laba nin oo majeerteen oo suuroonahayaan laba nin oo murursado maqaar gaadahayaan iyo waliba saddex nin oo mareexaan oo marqaansan iyo shan nin oo maaragtay oo shaanshiya oo shiisha cabahayaan baa u baahanta. I promise that will do your job, Obama.
You have some good ideas. Maybe if you join the church, you can help us start a community program. Why don't you come by on Sunday?
Hey, dala muxuu jiray George-ka ma gaal buu yimaayay ku damid doofaarku dhala bye
or
bye about
later